What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Facebook ads comments. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Facebook or facebook.com. After that, you will be redirected to the login or sign up page of Facebook, wherein if you are new to Facebook, simply click on sign up and then sign up with your email, password and other credentials to create your new Facebook account. But if you already have a Facebook account, simply click on login and then log in with your Facebook account. Now, after signing up or logging in, here you will be redirected to the homepage of Facebook, wherein on the right side you can see this waffle like menu icon. Click on this and then click on this ads section right here. Now, after clicking in a new tab, the Ads Manager will open, wherein you need to hover to the left side and click on Campaigns. After clicking on Campaigns, you need to select the campaign that you want to turn off the ads for, and after that, click on this Edit icon, and a new window will appear, wherein you need to scroll down to the bottom, and then here on the right side, you will see to turn off the ad sales, or you can see to turn off the ads comments. As you can see, when you click on this new sales ad, here you will see the event details you can choose from, and the app events. This is from where you will set up the app events, and from here you need to set the advanced preview. If you want to turn this on, you can turn this your ad preview, so this will preview your ad and also turn on your comments. And if you don't want it, you can just simply keep it what it is and then just click on no preview sharing options. When you click on the share options, and then you will see the option to turn off your comments. From there, you can turn off your comments, and then this is how you can turn off your Facebook ads comment. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.